Welcome to Van Spotlight, where we take an in-depth look at some of Outside Van's most intricate builds. We'll give you all the facts and details to show you what goes into making a custom, one-of-a-kind outside van. In this episode, we'll take a look at our latest build, Strata, which was built in a 2019 four-wheel drive Mercedes-Benz 144 chassis. This van was designed to seat and sleep two people while providing plenty of gear storage space in the garage, on the side, and on the roof. The much anticipated 2019 chassis boasts a plethora of updates, including a new dashboard, an electric sliding door, and much more. Let's head inside and I'll show you around. As you can see, Strata is bright, cheery, and full of life. It's the perfect vehicle for two people to hang at the beach, hit some waves, and take in the views. Over the passenger wheel tub, you'll find the core of this build, which is the power system. Here, we've installed two 300 amp hour RELion Lithium deep cycle batteries. While the upfront cost is higher than gel AGM or lead acid, the overall cost of ownership is lower over time because they require little to no maintenance and they have up to 10 times longer lifespan. They're designed to stand up to harsh conditions like vibrations and shock, and they're ideal for running heavy loads for long periods with short charge times. They feature an accurate charge reading, which can be seen using the system monitor mounted to the overhead cabinets. They're powerful enough to run the 12-volt aftermarket rooftop air conditioner for hours at a time. This air conditioner has an impressive 18,000 BTU output. It can keep the living area cool and comfortable even during the hottest days. In the driver's side wheel tub box, we've installed a Webasto EVO 6 diesel heater, which heats both the cabin and the water. The control panel is located in the overhead cabinetry. We've also installed an 18-gallon water tank, which provides ample water to the sink and the external shower. The 3-panel bed is made out of steel frames and wood panels covered with interweave. The custom mattress is made out of 3 separate pieces of foam and wrapped in breathable outdoor fabric that's moisture resistant, fade resistant, and easy to clean. The panels are very functional as they can be completely removed, or the second and third panels of the bed and mattress can drop down, making a comfy and convenient hangout area. With its detachable top and base, this table is easily stored completely out of the way when not in use. Our galleys are built using plywood covered with durable laminate. This plywood won't shrink or expand in extreme temperatures. All of our drawers and cabinets are made out of bamboo. We use dovetail joints to make sure these drawers never pull apart. The countertop is a paper stone material made up of 100% post-consumer recycled paper, petroleum-free resins, and natural pigments. Not only is it environmentally sustainable, but it's durable, stain-resistant, and easy to maintain. The galley features a sink, which is connected to the water tank and produces both hot and cold water. The induction cooktop is low profile and heats up quickly, and the stainless steel fridge has 4.6 cubic feet of space. The overhead cabinets are also built with plywood and covered with durable laminate. The doors are soft close and the latches are push lock so that they stay closed during travel. Like all of our vans, we started this build with our base interior package. This includes our proprietary infrastructure, which is the foundation to all of our vans. We also include sound damping that makes for a smooth and quiet driving experience, along with insulation for temperature regulation. These foundation features lead to a longer lasting, better performing vehicle. The walls are finished with a durable interweave fabric, and the ceiling panels are finished with a silicone leather material, which is eco-friendly, sustainable, easy to clean, and highly durable. The flooring is covered in marine grade vinyl that's antibacterial, slip resistant, and extremely durable. To safely secure gear, we've installed L-track in strategic areas, making packing easy and organized. We've also included fork mounts so that bikes can be stored inside the van and out of the elements. With 2 nozzle locations, the onboard air compressor comes in handy when airing tires back up after driving on a beach. It can also be used to inflate supboards, bike tires, or even for general cleaning. For this build, we worked with JL Audio to develop an ultra-premium audio package. The system includes a 3-way setup, including a 1-inch tweeter, a 3.5-inch mid-range, and a 6.5-inch woofer. Using a 3-way speaker system delivers more pronounced vocals, tighter kick drum hits, and crisp cymbal crashes. We included the JL Audio VXI amps with integrated DSP technology, allowing the experts at JL to optimize the system's acoustic qualities. The resulting performance is more dynamic, more accurate, and much more fun to listen to than a conventional audio system. Because space is crucial in a van, we utilize the TW3 10-inch thin-line subwoofer, which allows us to integrate a bass solution under the passenger seat. Having a spectacular sound system while traveling from point A to point B is important, but we also know how much time you like to spend outside your van. So we've placed a set of speakers in the back doors for the ultimate outdoor experience. To make the most of your outdoor space, we've installed a 10.5-foot Fiamma awning, which will drastically expand your living space on both sunny and rainy days. To access the roof, we've installed a ladder on the rear door and on the driver's side. They're constructed out of aluminum tubing and coated with a black textured powder coat to prevent any possible slipping during wet conditions. On the roof, we've built a safari rack that's powder coated with the same texture as the ladders. Since we've included an air conditioner and a deluxe roof vent, the rack has been strategically designed around these features. We built perforated standing platforms to allow for easy roof access. We've also integrated a 50-inch light bar and a 130-watt solar panel into the rack. This panel provides a steady trickle to the batteries and ultimately will keep the refrigerator running without decreasing the battery charge. And in the sand, Strata features 18-inch Black Rhino Warlord wheels that are engineered for strength, durability, and long-lasting good looks. And that wraps up our tour. Strata is the result of superior workmanship from the team at Outside Van. We're stoked to be building in the new 2019 four-wheel drive Mercedes-Benz Sprinter chassis, and we feel that Strata is a great representation of the quality we're known for. Rain, dirt, snow, this van is road tested and ready to handle the most extreme conditions. Thanks for joining me on our tour of Strata. Please subscribe to our channel and see you on the outside.